Everyone, this is Tim Forex. So just wanna do a breakdown on NZDCHF. So I had analyzed this trade and I just want to show you how it went and how it's going. So far it's running in profits, and it's 1 to 4, almost 1 to 5, and right now profits running around 100 pips, almost 100 pips, 98 pips right now. Right, so I had this trade and I just want to show you the reason why I bought NZDCHF on a 4-hour time frame, right? So without wasting time, I want you guys to pay attention to what I'm about to show you, because this is something that you really need to understand. You really need to know, because it's not just about coming on the charts and then you just analyze anyhow, but you must always have those beautiful setups that you always rely on every time whenever you're analyzing on the market. So as you can see, it is NZDCHF from my 4-hour time frame, right? So what is happening on the 4-hour time frame? I'm going to zoom out. Okay, I'm zooming out. So I want to see structure coming from this area. I want to see structure coming from this place, from this high all the way to the downside. Okay, so once I can try to understand what the market did here, it's easy for me to see what happened the other side of the market. Okay, so without wasting time, you can see right here we had lower low, lower high. Okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Sorry, let me take out this lower high over here. Okay, let me continue. Okay, so we also have lower low over here, lower high, lower low. So you can see this low was swept, right? Then after this low got swept, price created this low over here. Then we had a break of a structure to the upside. Then from there, price created this second high. So this is not just a break of a structure, this first one over here, it's a change of character. Price was trying to tell us that you know, we might change direction, right? So we call it a church or a chalk, change of character. So that's something that you really need to understand as traders. Then from there we had a break of a structure. So the moment we had this break of a structure here, price was now trying to tell us that, okay, you know what, now we are now bullish. Okay, so meaning that this downtrend over here doesn't have power anymore because of this change of character and the break of a structure. So that means in this area, in this zone, we are focusing for what? For buys. Then we'll be targeting these liquidities above here. Okay, it's very simple concept. Like I don't want to speak too much just to confuse you guys. So from there, let's see what happened. We can see price giving us let me take out this. Yeah, so as you can see, price after gave us the break of a structure. Very important for you to understand. After price gave us this boss, okay, break of a structure, we were now reversing to the downside, creating another downtrend of a market structure. So this is where now, like, the tricky part where a lot of people they get trapped in. This move over here, from here to buy over here, is not a solid move to buy from. Okay, of course you can buy from there, but what I usually do, I always wait for at least pattern confirmation. Okay, so the reason why I'm saying that is because I don't want this range, these areas, these two areas, I don't want these two areas to communicate what does not make sense. Okay, so I'm keeping my eye, okay, over this small downtrend over here, lower highs and lower lows. So as a result, I usually go to my 1 hour, even 30 minutes time frame, just to see break of structures inside, another change of character and another break of a structure to confirm more bullishness. I hope this is making sense, guys. Like, I don't want to confuse you guys. I hope this is making sense, right? So, for instance, let's check. Let's check. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to a smaller time frame. I want us to go to. Let's use a 1 hour time frame, right? Oh my goodness, we are on a 1 hour time frame. We are on a 1 hour time frame. Please, you forgive me for that. We are on a 1 hour time frame right now. So let's see what's happening on a 1 hour time frame. to see if what I was explaining is really making sense. So this is the downtrend that I was talking about, right? Let me take out this. Let me take out this too. So this is the downtrend that I've been talking about, right? From here. I want you to pay attention from here. This is the downtrend that I've been talking about. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. I'm just gonna mark not too accurate. Lower low. And then from there, of course, we had this high over here. Okay. Then let's see what's taking out this low. Lower low over here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we've got this minor change of character and also this change of character inside here. But the main thing is this guy breaking. Okay, the main thing is that guy breaking. The main thing is that guy breaking. So after this guy has broken, right? This guy, what we were gonna look for is for a demand zone, right? Is for a demand zone. This is why I marked this demand zone over here. Then let's go back to a 4-hour time frame. Then from there, as a result, what did price do? Price came into my demand zone. Guys, do you see like how simple this thing is? Like, just don't have to complicate. Like I always say, like whenever like you are analyzing on the market, you don't have to complicate things. A lot of people they love complicating things, and this is the reason why forex trading does not really work for you, because you're overthinking and you are overdoing things. And if you can just keep things very simple, trust me, this thing is going to give you very best results. Right? So this is my demand zone over here. This is my demand zone over here. So I marked this demand zone over there to wait for price. So remember, from where price is coming from, price is coming from the first bullish scenario. Okay, so we didn't want just to buy from there, but we need to have at least a confirmation that price is gonna buy. Then as a result, price did a double pattern confirmation. Then this is the reason why we've got this beautiful buy. If you've learned something from this, please comment in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. I'll be coming in more and more. There's more trades that I actually analyzed and they went exactly how I did. I'll be dropping these videos one by one just to give you guys some beautiful knowledge so that you can understand. I also have gold as well. I'm gonna come and show you my analysis on gold, on how I caught gold. Right. Other than that, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay blessed. If you need more assistance based on education only, I do not sell signals. I do not sell signals. It's only education that I provide. So if you're looking for education on how to improve yourself, you can always let me know. My contacts will be in the description. Thank you.